If you're looking to capture the thrill and experience of your rides, a good motorcycle helmet camera is a smart place to start. Not only are they able to catch amazing videos, but they're also easy to use and don't pose a distraction or safety concern. There's plenty of helmet cameras out there that can correct things like background noise, extreme wind and weather conditions, and even shakiness of the actual footage. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and for their buying links. We're starting out our list with the AKASO V50 Pro. It comes with a built-in electronic image stabilization with a 6-axis gyroscope that detects position and motion changes. When the camera tilts, moves, shakes, or experiences impact, this action camera can still produce stable videos. You can adjust the view angle of this action camera according to your needs. It has super wide, medium, and narrow viewing angles available. This action camera also has a distortion calibration feature which offers image distortion improvements. The HDMI port allows you to connect it to a TV, and this underwater camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1100 mAh batteries, chargers, and remote control wristband and lots of accessory kits. Moreover, it features a 4K 30 frame per second and 20 megapixel image. And this action camera can capture every detail of your incredible outdoor adventure and present an immersive footage of you and your world. The Duo Sport action camera from Intova is a fun go-anywhere camera suitable for all ages and activities. This easy-to-use camera is compact and comes with a rugged housing that is waterproof to depths of 100 feet. The housing also floats in water so that your camera won't sink to the bottom should you accidentally lose your grip. It features a 1.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, and the camera records 720p video at 30 frames per second and up to 5 megapixel interpolated still photos with a burst mode available for continuous shooting. Plus, it has a built-in rear 1.77-inch LCD screen that lets you monitor your shots, playback footage, and adjust settings. In contrast, an integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery lets you enjoy up to 2 hours of continuous use. The universal 1/4-20 mounting socket fits most tripods and other mounting devices. Another advantage is that its rugged outer case protects the Duo from damage. Up next on the list, we have the Coleman CX16WP. It is a 1080p full HD sports and action camera that packs power, quality, and durability. This camera is built to cover all action and extreme sports, and it records high-quality 1080p Full HD videos at 60 frames per second, 720p at 120 frames per second, and WVGA at 240 FPS, perfect for high-speed action. The 145-degree ultra-wide-angle lens captures scenes with flawless perspective and clarity. Also, it features a 16.0 megapixel for still shots and Wi-Fi. It allows you to view and control all of the action live on your smartphone. You can also transfer, edit, and email all of your media directly from your smartphone. Moreover, the camera is bundled together with a super rugged underwater housing, waterproof up to 200 feet, various mounts for use on any surface, color LCD remote control watch, and lithium-ion battery. The next product on the list is the SONY HDR AS200 VR/W. It has a steady shot image stabilization with active mode that compensates for higher degrees of camera shake to deliver stunningly smooth video from wide angle to full telephoto shooting. It is built with a splash-proof body with IPX4 rating, with a universal tripod screw mount on the body of the action cam itself. You can easily attach the camera directly to a tripod. Plus, it has a built-in stereo microphone that allows you to capture all the exciting sounds of your adventure with a sense of direction. You can set the recording loop duration from 5/20/60/120 minutes or unlimited. With an ultra-wide-angle professional Zeiss lens, you will increase your perspective while you venture out on breathtaking views of dynamic terrain. Plus, it offers advanced manual controls of settings such as white balance and AE shifting, enabling more pro-style movie shooting to meet diverse needs. Capture 1080p video and 14 megapixel still images no matter where you go with the KODAK PIXPRO SP1 action camera with Explorer pack. This camera is rugged and compact, and it is dust-proof, 14 degrees Fahrenheit freeze-proof, waterproof at depths up to 32 feet, and shock-proof from falls up to 6.5 feet. The included Explorer pack provides a variety of mounting accessories to get you started and take your shots to the next level. Its 14 megapixel CMOS sensor lets you capture video in a variety of resolutions and frame rates. The camera also takes still photos at resolutions up to 14 megapixels, with burst mode shooting up to 10 frames per second, so you won't miss that perfect moment. Moreover, its fixed focal length lens provides an ultra-wide 160-degree angle of view, with narrower viewing options also selectable. Additionally, the camera has autofocusing capabilities, including face recognition. Other features include a built-in 1.5-inch LCD screen, micro USB 2.0 port, and micro HDMI port. The MIDLAND XTC260WP3 HD wearable action camera is a wallet-friendly way to capture every nanosecond of the experience, and all in 720p HD. Its high-definition footage makes for detailed images that look great on your AKA and HD TV screens. This easy-to-use single-slide operated camera can switch between HD 720p to SD 480p. Plus, this action camera has 140 degrees of viewing angle for a genuinely wide-angle capture. With microSD memory cards, it can capture 13 minutes of footage per gigabit when recording in HD, and 20 minutes per gigabit in the standard definition mode. Further, with the help of USB cables, you can pop these recordings onto your compatible PC or Mac with no trouble at all. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Drift Innovation Stealth 2. This action camera comes with an extreme dual functioning camera that records at full HD 1080p 30 frames per second and lasts up to 3 hours of recording time. Also, it has a 137-degree lens view that provides the most accurate and sharpest image capturing. And this drift camera is ideally suited as a dash camera and as a sports action camera. However, it is engineered with the boldest and most durable materials and will hold its own as an extreme camera mounted as a bike camera or a helmet camera. On the other hand, the 3-hour battery life, rotatable lens, and aerodynamic design makes the Drift Stealth 2 a unique POV camera. With its color-coded screen and LED, you'll always know which camera mode you're in, creating a highly user-friendly experience. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.